Eating healthy is essential for maintaining a balanced lifestyle. The myriad of benefits associated with good nutrition ranges from improved mood and energy levels to boosted immune function and long-term health. Unfortunately, the journey to healthy eating can often feel overwhelming, with conflicting information surrounding food and diet. To simplify this path, let's delve into some tips for healthy eating that can transform your meals and, ultimately, your life.
What are the 5 rules for healthy eating?
Adopting a healthy eating plan doesn't have to be complicated. Here are 5 fundamental rules that can serve as a roadmap for enhancing the quality of your diet. Rule number Healthy eating rule short description. 1. Prioritize whole foods. Focus on foods that are minimally processed. 2. Practice portion control. Be mindful of serving sizes to avoid overeating. 3. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. For balance your plate, include a variety of food groups in each meal. 5. Plan and prepare. Take time to plan meals and snacks ahead of time. 1. Prioritize whole foods. Whole foods are those that are unprocessed or minimally processed and free from additives. These foods include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and lean meats. By prioritizing whole foods, you're ensuring that you're consuming essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that help your body function at its best. Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food. Hippocrates. 2. Practice portion control. Even the healthiest foods can contribute to weight gain if eaten in excessive amounts. Practicing portion control helps you manage your calorie intake without feeling deprived. A simple way to control portions is to use smaller plates, bowls, and utensils, which can trick your mind into thinking you're eating more than you actually are. Additionally, listen to your body's hunger cues, eat when you're hungry and stop when you're satisfied. This mindfulness can prevent overeating and improve your relationship with food. 3. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for numerous bodily functions, including digestion, nutrient absorption, and temperature regulation. Often, our bodies confuse thirst with hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help curb these cravings, improve mood, and maintain energy levels. Aim for at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water daily, but remember that individual needs may vary based on factors like activity level, climate, and overall health. Spice up your hydration routine by adding slices of lemon, cucumber, or berries to your water for added flavor without calories. 4. Balance your plate. Instead of focusing on one food group, make it a habit to fill your plate with a variety of foods. A balanced plate typically includes half of your plate filled with fruits and vegetables, a quarter of your plate filled with lean protein, chicken, fish, beans, tofu, a quarter of your plate filled with whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, whole grain bread. This balanced approach not only helps meet your nutritional needs but also keeps meals interesting and enjoyable. 5. Plan and prepare. In our fast-paced world, it can be easy to default to convenience foods, which are often less nutritious. Taking time to plan and prepare your meals can make a world of difference. Here are some strategies. Meals in advance. Dedicate a day each week, like Sunday, to prepare meals. Cook large batches of food that can be refrigerated or frozen for later. Snack packs. Prepare healthy snacks like cut-up veggies, fruits, or nuts to grab when you're on the go. These will help you resist the temptation of unhealthy options. Explore new recipes. Experimenting with new, healthy recipes can make cooking more enjoyable and keep your diet exciting. Eating healthy isn't about strict limitations or depriving yourself of the foods you love. Rather, it involves making informed choices and creating a pattern of eating that enhances your lifestyle. Incorporating these 5 rules of healthy eating can empower you on your journey toward better health. As you embark on this journey, remember to be kind to yourself. Meal planning and healthy eating can take time to master, and everyone slips up now and then. The key is to create a sustainable eating pattern that you can maintain in the long run. By following these tips and embracing a well-rounded approach to nutrition, you can cultivate a healthier lifestyle that contributes positively to your overall well-being. Every small step you take toward healthier eating can lead to profound changes in how you feel, both physically and mentally. In the end, healthy eating isn't just a diet, it's a way of life that celebrates nourishment, care, and enjoyment of food. So go ahead and enjoy those beautiful, vibrant meals with renewed confidence.